Hello everyone, this is Miss Janelle and I'm going to give you a quick tour around Class OneNote as that's the platform that we're going to be using for our online learning at Calliope High School. So first thing that I want to show you here is that there are what we call sections, and then within each section there are pages. So we can do this, we can add a page just by adding them down the bottom here. Okay, rightio. So the first section that you will find, so all of our notebooks across our high school are going to be set up in a very similar way. The first page in the welcome section says using Class OneNote for science. It might say mathematics or HPE or visual arts, whatever that happens to be. And then you'll see here that it actually tells you what to do. Go to your class notes section and follow the steps for the lesson. We're going to come back to that when we get up to that section in there. All right, after that we have a bunch of other pages we can look at. So there's protocols for online learning, and then there is a whole bunch of online guides to help with digital things that might be useful for you and what you need to get done. So the next section that we have here is called the collaboration space. So in the collaboration space, it's a space where you can access and change things. So again, first thing that we have is protocols for using the collaboration space. And then they're set up in the units. So for science, we're doing unit 1 and 2 this term and units 3 and 4 next term. And within here, pages that we have, so first of all, the learning wall. So you'll find the GTMJ and the know and do in here, as well as other information, maybe examples that you can build throughout your term while you're learning. The other page in here that you'll find is the student questions section. Nice and easy. If you have a question, pop it in here. Write down your question and a teacher or another student might answer that for you so that you can work out. You might find over here that other pages get added as time goes on, and they might be other collaboration activities that are set by your teachers as you go. Okay. Rightio. The next section we have in here is called the content library. The content library is read only and it is information for you. So again, set up in your units. So if we have a look in here, each page has a different piece of content that we need to know about. So the particle model of matter. So I can actually open this PowerPoint, or I can look at some of the slides and information that's sitting there on that page. Maybe it's about lab safety, and I can go to the page that will open and tell me all about lab safety. Okay, there is, in this particular lot, there's a glossary, but what pages are sitting in here will depend on the unit of work you're doing and what needs to be covered. All right, this last section, this will have your name on it. So my name today is demonstration student. And when you go into here, you actually have 3 sections yourself. So you have assessment, class notes, and handouts. And this is where you can upload files, download files, read what you need to do. So if I just duck back for a moment to that welcome page, remember it said, go to your class notes section and follow the steps. So let's go to class notes. Oh, it's lesson 1, week 10. Let's have a look. And then here's the list of what we need to do. This particular list is talking about accessing your assessment section, opening the assessment, finishing that assessment. It's due by Thursday. Scan and save your assessment in that section back for your teacher. So let's go do that. So we'll go to the assessment section. Here it is. Here I can see that page in there. Assessment unit 1 and 2. Here I can download the task. Here I can upload it back once I'm finished. And this particular one has extra data for me or information that could be useful for me in completing that assessment. If in my list of steps that I had for that particular lesson, it talked about doing a handout or a worksheet or something like that, you might find that there would be another page in here titled with whatever I need to access to get it done. I can't stress to you enough how important it is to ensure that you are uploading your completed work back up online for your teachers to be able to read and give you feedback on, so that you know what you need to do. Okay. So that was my super quick overview of Class OneNote. The very last thing that I will tell you is here, if you have OneNote as an app on your computer, you can actually click here and it will take you through and let you open that up online. Open it up in the app, I should say. And it has all the same features. It is just set up slightly differently for you to access there. But hopefully this has answered some questions, given you a very quick overview into how to navigate your way around OneNote. And if you have any further questions, contact your teacher at school. Hope you have a great day.